Begin by taking your lace and threading each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets, making sure to go into them from above, just like I'm doing here. Pull that all the way through. Then just make sure both lace ends are of equal length and take a second to adjust them there. Remember, you can play this video on half speed or you can pause it as often as you like. There's absolutely no rush and just go as slowly as you'd like. Once you have them both threaded into the very bottom eyelets, we're going to pop this one out of the way, take a hold of this one. We're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side, from above, just like that. Great, pop that one out of the way, swap to the other one. We're going to do the exact same with the other one, pop it down into the eyelet from above, and pull it all the way through, making sure there's no twists or turns in your laces. Pull it like that. Then we're going to keep a hold of this one still, take it over the sneaker tongue again and into the next available eyelet from above, just like this. And swap back to the other one, do the exact same on the other side. Now your Converse might have more or less eyelets than mine, but the pattern remains the exact same. It doesn't matter how many eyelets you have, just keep going. Again, keep a hold of this one. Take it into the next available eyelet on this side from above. Pull it through. Doing great. Swap back to the other one. Do the exact same. Keep a hold of this one. Bring it over, down into the next eyelet. Pull it through, making sure there's no twists and the pattern's looking good. Swap back to the other one and do the exact same. So when you reach the final eyelets, this is where the loose lacing pattern comes in and starts to deviate from the standard pattern. What we're going to do is we're going to pop that one out of the way, take this one, and instead of going down into the final eyelet from above, we're just going to go up into it from underneath the canvas this time. So just pull it through from underneath like that. Take the other one on the other side and go into the other eyelet from underneath, just like this, making sure there's no twists. And then what you want to do is pull the lace back out until you have about this much lace left, and I think that looks good, but you can do it to your preference. Do the same on the other side, and you just want to make sure you have about the same left. Then, with all these extra loose laces, we're literally just going to tuck them behind the sneaker tongue, and they'll sit out of way on the top of your foot and they won't bother your foot at all, and it'll mean that you'll be able to just slip your foot in and out of the Converse each time you put them on. So once that's tucked out of the way, just go ahead and make sure you've adjusted these little bits here, and you're done. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have a pair of really cool looking loose laced Converse low tops. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more lacing content. Thanks guys!